everybody, welcome to or back to my channel. I am B-Rye, which stands for Butter on Rhyhorn, and today I'm going to do an Etsy review where I review a product I got from Etsy. Okay, so I got these wolf ears from Lisa Boutique on Etsy. They are a little company who makes a lot of ears and tails, and I really wanted to get these wolf ears to match my wolf tail that I got. So this is them on. They're very big, very pointy. And I'll turn around so you can see them from the back. Can you see them? Can you? I don't know. I can't see behind me, but anyway, hopefully that was a good view from the back of these ears. So here's a up closer look of the back. Sometimes you could kind of see this like whiteness when it's on my head, but if I just like bend it back, it's kind of better. So anyway, I ordered these ears because they were on like the section of Etsy where they're gonna like come in the mail fastest, right? And they did. They came in the mail pretty quickly. I think it was about like 3 weeks tops, maybe even less. I ordered them like months ago, guys, like back in March or something. But anyway, the person, Lisa, apparently communicated with me really, really well. And by the way, the ears I ordered were the Lisa ears, by the way. They have different names depending on which color you order. So they came in this really cute flamingo box. I kept everything that came with it because I like to keep things. And I was also planning on making this review. So you open the little box, and okay, so she gave me this comb, which I haven't tried out yet, because usually I just kind of like shake my ears a lot to fluff them up before I put them on. So I got this comb, and I got this cute little envelope right here, super adorable, which came with 2 whole letters to me. Okay, so we got this one. With love, a company is the longest confession of love. Like a company, as in the word, not like a company. So let me read this to you. Dear me, my name. We are happy to receive the order. Would you like to give us good comments on Etsy? It's very important for us and an effective way to get others to find us. 5 stars. Thank you. Best wishes and good luck, Lisa. And then it has the date, so it was 2021 3/30. January, February, March. So it was like March when I ordered these. And then the next letter. Dear me. We are happy to receive your order. We hope you are satisfied with the baby. Best wishes for you and be happy every day. I am happy. So when she was messaging me, she was like calling the ears the baby. And I wasn't like positive where these emails were coming from because I ordered a couple of things on Etsy. And when I got it, I was like, oh, this must be from Lisa Boutique on Etsy. So anyway, so I would say it was pretty easy to order these ears, except the only problem I had, when you're on the ears and you're selecting the color option, it's not labeled which color is which. The only reason I knew that these were the Lisa ears is because these are the ears in the profile picture of Lisa Boutique. I wasn't sure if I was like, you know, if these ears were going to be like the Frank ears, I believe were another option. So I was just like, okay, so I'm gonna select the Lisa ears and hope that these are the Lisa ears. And that's really like my only issue, is that they weren't like labeled properly. And these were $35. I believe I paid a shipping fee. I don't remember, I might not have. I can't remember, but yeah, so they stay on pretty well. They stay on pretty well as they fall. Okay, let's try this again. But they stay on pretty well. Like, you know, good enough. You're not, you know, if you're like just putting on ears to take a selfie, you're not really gonna be shaking your head around. But if I jump, rah, rah, rah. So anyway, they're not that bad. They stay on pretty well. And I'm sure if you clip them, it's fine. You know, they're pretty good, you know, and I keep them in a drawer on top of a bunch of my other pet items that I wear, you know, because these ones are honestly the best. So I keep them on top. And I haven't tried brushing them with the comb yet. As you saw, it was still in the package. I really, like I said, I just shake it like this. And that's pretty good, right? So I'm gonna say these are good ears. Maybe I'll try out the comb just for ha-has. I'm kind of afraid to brush them because I'm afraid they're gonna fall apart. And these are like literally my favorite ears right now, guys. They're so cool. But yeah, so I didn't leave them a review on Etsy because when I order from Etsy, I don't think I have an Etsy account. I just kind of like choose what I want and I send them to my significant other and I'm like, buy these, and like he does. But like also for some reason like my email is linked to the orders. I think it's because of like my PayPal or something like that, but I don't like have an Etsy account to leave a review, which is why, you know, I like to review things on my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna like review them here. If you're watching this, Lisa Boutique, sorry I didn't leave my review on your page. You know, because I don't have an Etsy account. I should. I order enough things on there. So anyway, this comb is fine. It's helpful. As you can see, my ears are not falling apart. Super cute, like really super cute. I really like them. I would definitely recommend these ears or ordering from this company. Like you can be like a wolf or like a dog or like, you know, like a husky or, you know, whatever it is that has pointy ears. I feel like these can pass for those pointy ears. So yeah, here's another up close look at these ears. And I would say if I was gonna rate these ears, I would probably give it like probably, I mean, these are the best ears I have. So I definitely want to give them a 5-star review until I find, if I do find something better, I'll definitely let you know. But just for wearing, these are perfect. Like, if you want to like run around and make a ruckus in your ears, I suggest clipping them like on with a hair clip. That's not something that I would do because, you know, I'm just kind of walking around, not shaking my head about like a crazy dog. But so yeah, I definitely recommend Lisa Boutique from Etsy if you want ears. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you want me to review more items, feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to like and subscribe. I have a review of the Kittens Playpen Honey Puppy set on my channel. If you're into that, check out that video. And okay, so thank you for joining me for this review. Goodbye.